Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial on Zoom and how you can change your background to either a custom photo or a custom video. All right, let's get right into it. So to start, go into a Zoom meeting. You can do this by going into the regular Zoom area and just doing start a new meeting. Doing so will put you in a meeting like this, and then go to the bottom video section here and then go to adjust my background and effects. Then here, it's actually not scrolling up or down at all. It's just this plus sign. So just go add image and you're able to add any image you want. So there you go. That's pretty much all you have to do. Having green screen definitely does improve the quality of this. Like as you can see right now, I'm waving, you can barely see my hand. And if you did have a green screen, I highly recommend using that and then selecting what kind of color that you want a green screen. So if I wanted to green screen my window out here, you could see it works that way. One place I recommend to get these is from Canva. You could just do create a design, go zoom background, and then it'll give you tons of different types of backgrounds you can use, just easy templates. Right now it's almost Christmas, so there's tons of Christmas themed ones. But if you don't want a photo, you're actually able to make a video through Canva as well. And if you're getting the video off Canva, make sure that you're saving it as an MP4. And then same way to add it, go back into the adjust backgrounds and effects, but this time select add video. So yeah, there you go. Now you could just be in outer space if you want. Have fun testing this out and standing out in your next Zoom meeting. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a like to tell YouTube it's a good video, so it can be shown all around the world to people like yourself. And if it wasn't, make sure you press the dislike button twice so I know how extra bad of a video it was, and maybe I'll never make this kind of video again. But most importantly, please subscribe to my channel to see more great tips like this in the future. Thanks for watching everyone. Have a great day. Cheers.